Okay, so we got Mike Greeley here from, it's Refined Welding, right?
Yeah.
And he's here doing a project. We'll take you guys around to show you what he's doing here on the ranch. And Mike is, I feel as a customer, he's passionate in what he does, but hey, I haven't got the bill yet, so maybe we'll get a plug on that. So Mike, what are we working on here?
Just putting these bars in this drill field.
So we're building an alleyway here. It's going to go up to the squeeze right here. And I think it's looking really good here. He's got 2 more sections to go, and then you'll start welding?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, and it's pretty cold. What's the temperature today?
I don't know, like -14.
-14. And our only saving grace is no wind. I got to check to see if the thing's recording, because then we're going to be doing... Yeah, we're still recording.
That's good.
Make sure that it's good. Okay, so we're gonna, Mike's gonna, I don't want to hold him up anymore. He's gonna keep plugging away at this. But if you guys want to, I'll put a link with Mike's contact info. You're cool with that, Mike?
Yeah.
Okay, and make sure you give him a call, and he'll try to help you out the best he can.
Sure.
Okay, back at her. You know what's impressive? Have you ever heard the country song, "One man's trash is another man's gold"? Isn't that what it feels like? This is this material that I gave you to work with?
Yeah, I've worked with a lot worse.
Nice. The biggest plug that I can put in for Mike is his honesty. When you talk to him on the phone, if you decide to give him a call, he's going to be straight up with you. He'll give you his pricing. He'll give you what he can do, and the thing that I've appreciated most is his willingness to work with something that he's never worked with before. I don't think that anybody can really say that they've actually worked with what I have right now, because I'm dealing with building something out of material that are used, and there's no blueprint. The blueprint is in my mind, and that's pretty difficult for a guy to do his work when the blueprint's actually in somebody else's mind. Hey, buddy. Some of you guys have been concerned about our bulls, but here they are, what their health looks like. We tend to the bulls the most. Hey, buddy. Hey, don't you get pushing now like a big dog. The Mere Font water. This is where the cows drink, and we have another water like that in the corrals for the calves. But how it works is there's water line below the frost level that's coming up into here, and it's an insulated bowl. And how it works from it's a geothermal type, and there's a cribbing in the ground, and heat comes up from the ground to heat the water, and then it's all insulated. And the cows need to learn to come, and they push the ball down to the side to get a drink of water. It makes life a lot easier. The more cows that drink on it, the less chance that it will freeze up. One of the things that we have to check when it gets cold like this on a daily basis.
Got a big hole on his back.
Brody, I think you should go out and pet him.
No. You should do it.
I should pet him?
How about rock, paper, scissors to see who goes pets him?
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Paper, scissors. Oh, paper, scissors. Oh! I got a pet Porky.
Look, he's got a hole in his back.
Is he mangy? They can get mange too, you know. Yeah, and there's too many of them. I think he does have a little mange right there on the back, right? It's hard to see with the camera. Body, right? Hey, you remember when Michaela had silently screamed?
Yeah, she silently screamed
In the
her
Dead
head.
Deer Gulch video?
Like this.
When we saw a porcupine, right?
Yeah, we were walking by, and then there was a porcupine, and it was like that close to me, and I just looked over and was like, oh. And it was like, I silently screamed in my head like this, and then she screams.
I know, it's
You
pretty.
should go watch that Dead Deer Gulch video if you haven't already.
Yeah, it's quite a few videos back, but go to the video list and you'll find it.
It's one of the first ones.
Dead Deer Gulch. Hey, little Petey, you getting a drink? Right here is our bull water. So the bulls out in the pasture that way can come in and get it, and then these bulls can come around this way and drink. And it's the exact same concept, this water, as the two that we have up at the farm. But Mike got everything finished up. I just got home from work and it's dark. It's 7 o'clock. And Mike already has my invoice done. If you guys are wondering, here's the bulls that's the bull that we had Lance in the one video. He's doing real good. You can see how fat they are. But here's what Mike finished up for us today. And Mike's already emailed me the invoice, and pretty impressive that what he did for us in a half a day. He's a hard worker. And it was minus 14. And anyways, you can see, I just wanted to show you the quality of his welding as well. This is pretty good because you see the tar on here, and to weld that kind of quality through that is good with old pipes. I'm pleased with it anyways. So this is what Mike did. We'll probably have him back to finish off. The loading tub will be on this side, and there will be a alleyway coming through. It's going to be a little bit more detailed there to hook up to the hydraulic squeeze. We'll probably have him back for that. These were the two supervisors all day, these guys. Okay, good job, Michaela, almost done.
Okay.
Oh, what? Here.
Next one.